Nope. And nope.
Here, I gotta take this picture so I can send it to your sister. Turn around. Turn around before I snatch that wig off and you go.
No! You need to stop.
Look at me! Look, little Michael. Stand up there for a minute. Or you're not gonna go see the movie, I'm telling you. See, like the video, look. Put your face together. Put your feet together! Ooh, it scrunches like that. No, get back. Now do a move or something. Turn on the other side. Let me see the other side of the outfit. No, the other side. Look at me. Look.
Taking pictures?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks. Oh, that looks too tight. Michael is alive.